everyone, my name is CSZB3143. Today I'm going to show you how to make cute wooden spoon puppets. Our characters are the rabbit and the tortoise from the famous story, The Tortoise and the Hare. Let's get started. Here's are the materials. We have wooden spoon, big eyes, paper, scissors, gum, bubble, double-sided tape, watercolor and brush. Friends, I am Rabbit. I am super fast. Zoom. Hello Rabbit, I may be slow, but I never stop. You're too slow. Let's race. Okay, let's try. Ready, set, go. I'm so fast. I will take a nap. Step by step, I can do it. I win! I win! What? You won? Oh no! Slow and steady wins the race. You are right. Good job, tortoise. Let's be friends. That's all from me. Thank you, friends. Bye-bye.